This factory spends 0 rupees a month on electricity. Baduwatta Desiccated Coconut Mills manufactures desiccated coconut, virgin coconut oil and other coconut-based products. Like many factories, one of its biggest challenges was energy costs. With electricity prices increasing, production expenses became difficult to manage.
From 2022, 23, 24, we had the experience of increasing the electricity bill rapidly. We cannot control such costs. Based on that, we decided to focus on the stabilization of the electricity costs for that period. Accordingly, based on research and studies, we thought of going for a solar solution as the reliable getaway of that increasing production cost.
In September 2024, the company installed a 318 kilowatt solar system consisting of 807 panels. It fully powers the factory while being connected to the national grid. And the system generates approximately 413 megawatt hours of electricity annually.
The total solar project was about 42 million, which is 80% funded by commercial bank, which is almost 34 million, and it is given under structured facility for us so that we could go in line with the CEB requirements and CEB deadlines.
The financial impact has been quite significant. Before installing solar, the factory spent around 700,000 rupees per month on electricity. Now that cost has dropped to zero.
At Commercial Bank, we are proud to support our customers engaged in renewable energy sector, contributing towards cleaner, greener, and more sustainable future. Through our green financing solutions, we are continue to empower environmentally responsible projects that promote the adoption of renewable energy and sustainable business practices. By facilitating this project, the bank has played a role in supporting the transition towards clean energy, helping to reduce carbon emission, minimize environmental impact, and contribute to long-term environmental sustainability.
By switching to solar, Baduwatta Desiccated Coconut Mills not only stabilized its production costs, but also made a long-term investment in sustainable energy. As energy costs continue to rise, solutions like this aren't just innovative, they're essential. And for businesses like Baduwatta, the future is already running on solar.